This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the screen reader now. Open Chrome settings and go directly to Accessibility, then enable Chrome Vox. Once done, grant any requested permissions so the reader can access pages. You should learn the primary toggle and basic navigation keys immediately. This gives you control and prevents surprise speech. Practice turning it on and off with a shortcut to confirm it's active. This first step sets up everything else, so make sure it speaks before moving forward. You'll now learn how to move through content efficiently. Use Search plus right and Search plus left to jump between focusable items like links, buttons, and form fields. This is faster than tabbing through everything. When you need to interact, press Search plus space to activate the focused item, then use Tab or Shift plus Tab to move into forms. For precise reading, use Search plus Control plus right or Search plus Control plus left by word, or Search plus L to read line by line. Practice these to build a smooth workflow. You're finishing setup and customizing behavior. Open Chrome Vox settings to set voice, rate, and verbosity so speech matches your pace. Once comfortable, combine Find Control plus F and heading navigation to jump large sections quickly. If content won't speak, try reloading the tab first, then confirm Chrome is using the correct audio device and that extensions aren't blocked. As a final step, restart Chrome if necessary. This sequence solves most problems and gets you back to listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.